Hello everyone, my name is Cindy Paula Navarro Sierra, Bachelor student at Secar University. Today I'm going to show you a little about my town's church and what it was like more than 30 years ago. The tourist fire and the church of Ayapel, Córdoba, municipal heritage. This municipality has a monument that was declared in Architectural and Historical Heritage Site of the Department of Córdoba. Construction of the church of San Jerónimo began in 1835 and was completed a century later. It was named in honor of the town's patron saint, Saint Jerome. We can see how time, as it evolves, improves the structures and created better views in the surrounding area, with also contributing to the progress of the small towns. To begin with, this image shows that the view around the church is not very satisfactory. Add log a visitor area or green space to beautify its exterior. In fact, it only had a few small, somewhat deteriorated beaches around it. However, its structure and the long time it took to build it can be appreciated. However, in the following image, we can see how over time, in addition to becoming a cultural heritage site, its exterior began to come back to life and will a tourist space for anyone who wanted to visit this monument. Although it retains its structure, its appearance instead of decayed has improved considerably, providing a pleasant view. The church is large as it was 10 years ago, as beautiful as it was before, but its surroundings are more colorful and more beautiful than before. Thank you.